What is up, everybody? I'm here with Millie at the top of the Strat, 855 feet above the Las Vegas Strip. She's jumping off today. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna take a couple steps out. Turn back inside for a photo.
All right, here we go for the funeral. 3, 2, 1, smile.
Say for the funeral.
Turn back. Hang on for a second. Don't go anywhere, okay?
What's the name?
I'm gonna go right here in the front. Both hands on the rail for me and face that way. Back. Lean on. Back up's good. Free and clear. All right, your right hand's gonna go on the red right there in front of you.
That's not my right
Left
hand.
hand's gonna go to the other red. Toes on the yellow line and wait for my countdown.
Okay.
Once I say 3, 2, 1, go, you're good to jump.
Okay.
Here comes Millie. 3, 2, 1, go.